Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to read volume on Webull. Understanding volume is crucial for making informed trading decisions. It tells you how many shares of a stock have been traded over a specific period. High volume suggests strong market participation and interest, while low volume might indicate less conviction. Webull makes this data easy to access and interpret directly on your charts. When looking at Webull charts, you'll see volume bars below the price action. Typically, green bars signify that buying pressure was dominant during that period, while red bars suggest selling pressure. The height of each bar directly corresponds to the total number of shares traded. A taller bar means more shares changed hands, indicating higher activity. Webull provides several helpful volume indicators to enhance your analysis. One popular option is on-balance volume, or OBV. This indicator uses volume flow to predict price changes, helping to confirm whether a trend is strong or weakening. Pay close attention to divergences, where price and OBV move in opposite directions, as these can signal potential reversals. For more advanced analysis, observe how volume spikes often precede significant price movements, acting as an early warning system. You can also identify accumulation, where smart money is buying, or distribution, where they are selling, by carefully watching volume patterns. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, so your feet will thank you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.